It's another zero income day. The federal government says that Peoria Charter coach is essential. The federal government has directly given Airlines, Amtrak, and transits more than $75 billion. Our industry, nothing. These two coaches are heading to DC Monday morning out of Urbana, Illinois, and they are going to join a rally, and we're asking the federal government to step up and help our industry.
You're looking for someone I can't find it. Maybe we're meant to be a lost cause, but I can see a future that's brighter. Yeah, and if we both are in it, it's up to us. To make it right, to follow through, it's up to us. I don't know what to do. To make it right, to follow through, it's up to us. So won't you give me your emotions? You've been hiding them for way too long. Don't know what it'll set in motion, but sometimes.
Hey, what's up, guys? Are you guys tired of hearing about coronavirus yet? So I've made like 3 videos since this pandemic has started about COVID-19, how we're surviving it, what we're doing to get through it, and how it's just killing the motor coach industry amongst many other industries. In this video, I'm tired of whining about it. The adventure we're about to go on, we're gonna go do something about it. We're going to Washington, DC. I hope you guys will follow me along for the adventure. Come on, let's go.
So won't you give me your emotions? You've been hiding them for way too long.
Today's Monday, and on Wednesday is when the big rally is going to be starting. There's going to be hundreds of bus companies there rallying in Washington. There'll be 3 different routes, 3 different staging areas. We're going to be a part of it. It's going to take us 2 days to get there. From here to DC is about 12 and a half hours. We can only drive 10 hours a day. So we're going to split it up into 2 days of driving. I think he's giving us a send-off. It's probably a good omen. Can I put you guys on YouTube? Yep. These guys are from Timi Tours. They're from Decatur, Illinois. They're part of the convoy that's coming with us to DC today. We got Jack, we got Ken, and I'm sorry. Timi. Oh, it's named after you. Awesome. The big boss. Awesome. I just gave Timi Tours a radio, and I gotta give Signature a radio. Test 1, 2.
What channel are you on, Jake?
Channel 1.
Channel 1, okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
News crew's here.
To make it right, to follow through, it's up to us. So won't you give me your emotions? You've been hiding them for way too long. Don't know what it'll set in motion, but sometimes you've got to risk it all. Just give me your emotions. I don't know if we can take the fall, but still we need to be in motion to see where everything starts and to know where to go.
Okay, 3 more hours. So our itinerary today takes us to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We'll be staying at the SpringHill Marriott. About a 6-hour, 55-minute drive. Should be getting there about 4:05 p.m. Eastern time. But yeah, that's going to be our first stop today. So we'll have some time this evening once we get there to kind of get settled in, the hotel and stuff. I might look for some local food scenes, although I get it, we're in the middle of a pandemic, coronavirus, but gotta support the restaurants, right?
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Okay, we just arrived. We're near Pittsburgh, I think. So there's my bus, and here's the other three right there. What's the name of this town?
Washington, PA.
We're in Washington, PA. Thank you, sir.
Me of you.
Thank you.
Trying to figure out how
We're here in Washington, Pennsylvania. We're gonna roll out at 9 a.m. local time. But everything's kind of closed down because of Corona, and we're just gonna search for some takeout, maybe order takeout. This food isn't really good at all, but I'm so hungry, and that makes it palatable. I know the girls are hungry because they never eat that fast.
open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Good night.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by.
Hey, good morning.
What are you doing?
You get your Krispy Kreme already?
Yeah, you gotta go to the window. They will not let you go in order.
You gotta stand at the window?
Yeah.
Good morning. We just got up. The wife and the kids. Morning! Wife and the kids are still up in the room getting ready. We gotta go pre-trip our butt. That Mexican food last night really screwed me up.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around.
Our next stop is the Embassy Suites in Tyson's Corner, Washington, DC, or Virginia, I should say. We traveled 6 hours, 58 minutes yesterday, 453 miles from Urbana to, we're in Washington, Pennsylvania right now. Today we're gonna go 3 hours, 57 minutes, about 237 miles to Tyson's Corner, Virginia. And we're staying at the Embassy Suites. Another 3 hours, 57 minutes. We're gonna take a pit stop in Breezewood at a truck stop. I need to get ice, we need to refuel. I don't know if starting out the day with donuts is the right thing to do. So they got oatmeal. Are these little sandwiches? Oh, little breakfast egg sandwiches. Okay, I might go for some of those. Sneak, oh, where's the microwave? Oh. Well, one for each of us. Ooh, microwave right here. Thanks, Tracy.
There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared to lie. If only you knew
I think they're soft now. Get these on the bus so they don't cool off again. And maybe we'll try one.
Nobody loves me better.
egg sandwich. It's kind of flavorless. I could use something. Maybe some ketchup. Oh, the center's still cold.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I'll fall in behind you, Jack, or Ken. I don't know who's driving.
It's me, sounds good. You guys have to be real careful falling out of here.
They should make off-road motor coaches. That'd be badass.
Every motor coach is off-road if you try hard enough.
That's a great point. I want a T-shirt that says every motor coach is off-road if you try hard enough.
I will take you a t-shirt that says that.
I'll hold you to that.
I'm just guessing there's a GoPro that recorded me saying that, so.
Yep, I got it on video. All buses on the interstate. No, we're not there yet. Truck stop and we're gonna get some gas. Pump 5. I think we need to go to the other side to activate it. We got 2 more hours before arriving at Tyson's Corner, Virginia. We're in Breezewood, Pennsylvania right now, getting some fuel for our coach. Okay, thanks so much. Be safe, guys. Thank you. Yeah, it was good running with you guys. Finally get to meet you.
I know, right? You were gonna have a meal, but
I know.
Instead of online, no.
Yeah. Right. Be safe. We'll be with you the rest of the way. We don't want to say goodbye now because it'll be awkward to talk.
Right, yeah.
Mamushka. The same thing. It looks like October, September.
We literally just said that.
Over there. Are we gonna get to see the White House?
I don't think they'll let us go by the White House. Pretty good jet stuff there. They let all those trucks park on the White House lawn the other day. Go ahead, try it. Dave, you go first.
I'll just play the Asian driver card. We're in Maryland!
I'm tired of waiting.
this is home for the next 2 days. Today we're just kind of gonna hang out. We're in Tyson's Corner, Virginia.
Hi, we're at our new hotel.
So we're gonna hang out here. We're gonna go search for some lunch and then just enjoy the afternoon until tomorrow when we go to the rally. I think that's all we have. We can shut the door now. So the first things first, I'm going to work on getting this room cooler. It's a little stuffy. We'll have it set to 70. Okay. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice, nice.
Wow, the mirror is lighting up. We're gonna go check out Mama and Papa's room.
It's about 7 o'clock. Had a good day. We're finally here. Tomorrow's the big day, and I'm ready to go to bed. See you guys in the morning. Toodles.